let's just say Hayden's doing what he should this year. He came in as the favorite. He is now 70 points up after Unadilla. He's doing what he needs to. Come outdoors, look like the favorite, race like the favorite, get the points like the favorite, and get your title this year. And maybe not be in the 250s for next motocross next summer. This is coming from Daniel Blair in his latest moto event moto show, or main event moto show, sorry, saying, quote, as much as I bet it stings to have the mouthy one up over 50 points, now 70, like I said, second place in points isn't going to sting that bad come the off season. With Hayden going 450 next summer, the battle for the 250 battle for 2025 favorite is up in the air. The question is this actually going to happen? I guess it probably does depend on how well he does in Supercross this year, whether he wins that title or not. They may just accelerate the program and think, why keep him again? Why race 250 in the summer if he's going to be going up to 450 next year anyways? Get him on the bike, get him racing against, Sexton, and Prado's going to be coming over. You're going to have Jet back. You're going to have the new younger talent filling in. Probably still going to have Tomac, Roxon, maybe Webb, all these guys that are nearing the end of their careers, but still really good benchmarkers or really good people to compete against. And it is. If this is what he's going to be, those are the people, or that is the class he's going to be racing in for the next 10 years. Who knows how long his career is going to go. That's who he's going to be racing against. So you might as well accelerate the program. If he does really well in Supercross this upcoming season, maybe he wins SMX title again, and then just say, you know what, next summer, 450, get him on the bike, get him ready for the next year of Supercross on the 450, and let's see how it goes. I mean, obviously, with him and Jet Lawrence out there, and again, Prado, with a whole season of Supercross, or whole season of Supercross to race, it's going to be a experience. I think it's going to be a good one, and we're going to finally see, where he falls in the hierarchy of things. Is he going to be racing Jet? Is he going to match the speed? Is he going to be competitive, or is he just dominating the 250s and be one of those guys that hits 450s and kind of flares out? Who knows? That's where you guys come in. Comment down below. Do you think this is a good idea if he moves up to 450 next summer? Do you think this is going to be good for him? Do you think he's going to be competitive? Obviously, they're all trained on 450s. They all have that, but at race speed, it's very different. So, like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is this a good idea? Do you think this doesn't happen? If this is just some rumor thing? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.